This video describes the new 5-axis deburring strategy now available in Esprit Edge. For cutting simple or complex multi-axis parts, sharp corners and burrs are to be expected. Deburring sharp edges is faster, safer, and completely repeatable when done on the machine instead of manually. That's why Esprit Edge introduces the new 5-axis deburring cycle, which, by default, automatically finds all sharp edges in the body and deburrs them all in a single operation. This reduces the number of operations needed, improves the quality of the part, and increases productivity. We programmed a bracket on the Grob G350 machine. After all machining operations are programmed in Esprit Edge, we can add a 5-axis deburring cycle to deburr all sharp edges of this part on the machine. To do so, select the Freeform feature where the whole solid is defined as the area to machine. Now, apply the deburring cycle in the Freeform ribbon. In the Toolpath tab, with the Edge Definition parameter, you have the choice whether to make the system automatically detect edges from the Freeform feature entities, or whether to specify edges to deburr by manual selection. In this scenario, we are cutting the entire solid. You can then choose to not cut certain sharp edges. Activate the Exclude Edges box and select graphically the solid edges to exclude. The max angle between faces lets you enter the maximum angle which defines sharp edges. And finally, set the deburring depth you want. Next is the Orientation tab. This cycle supports various tool orientation modes depending on the machine kinematic and license configuration, such as 3-axis, 4-axis, 3+2-axis, and 5-axis. It is possible to either minimize orientation changes with a privileged orientation, or to optimize the cutting conditions, keeping the sides of the tool engaged, thus generating more rotations. With both modes, the system automatically tilts the tool away to avoid collisions and reach further in the part. With Esprit Edge's new 5-axis deburring solution, you can easily deburr all the edges of a part within a single operation. This results in better part quality out of the machine and can remove the need of an extra manual deburring operation. Thank you for watching this Esprit Edge product video. For more information on this and other Esprit Edge features, refer to the release bulletin and product help